The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious redesigns in years, blending evolutionary changes with some genuinely next-generation innovations that could redefine the look and feel of the iPhone lineup. One of the biggest expected changes is a major overhaul of the front display. Apple may finally move Face ID sensors under the screen and switch to a punch-hole camera design, reducing or even eliminating the traditional dynamic island cutout for a cleaner, more immersive viewing experience. Rumors also suggest the Pro Max will retain its 6.9-inch LTPO display with smoother refresh rates and higher brightness, while potentially adopting cutting-edge panel tech for better power efficiency and visuals. On the rear, the camera system could receive significant upgrades such as a variable aperture main sensor and advanced multi-layer image sensors that improve low-light performance and dynamic range, bringing even more pro-level photography capabilities to Apple's flagship. Internally, Apple is expected to power the device with its next-generation A20 Pro chip built on a 2nm process, offering leaps in speed, AI processing, and battery efficiency compared to previous models. There are also whispers of a larger battery, which, along with other internal enhancements, might make this one of the heaviest iPhones ever produced. All these upgrades point to a model that not only looks different but also pushes performance, battery life, and photography well beyond the current generation, making the iPhone 18 Pro Max one of the most anticipated Apple flagships yet.